Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our amazing content. Today, we're taking a look at the electric bicycle 1000W-1500W 48V 26Inch 19/28.6R folding electric mountain bike. This incredible bike is packed full of features that make it the perfect choice for anyone looking to enhance their outdoor adventures. With a powerful 1000W integrated wheel motor, full shock absorption, and hydraulic disc brakes, this bike is designed to handle any terrain you throw at it. The 26x 4.0 snow tires ensure you can ride through even the toughest of conditions, whether it's snow, mud, or rough terrain. But what really sets this bike apart is its range and speed. With a maximum speed of 50 km/h and a maximum driving range of 100 km, you can explore further and faster than ever before. Plus, with the option for pure electric or assisted pedaling, you have complete control over how you ride. And the best part, this bike is shipping from a European warehouse, so there's no need to worry about import taxes, and you can expect it to arrive within 3 to 7 days. Plus, with a maximum load-bearing capacity of 150 kg, this bike is perfect for riders of all shapes and sizes. So, if you're ready to take your outdoor adventures to the next level, be sure to check out the electric bicycle 1000W-1500W 48V 26Inch 19/28.6R folding electric mountain bike. Click the link in the description to place your order today. Thanks for watching. And as always, ride safe. Don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment letting us know where you'd love to take this bike for a spin. We'll see you in the next video.